Helium 10 versus Jungle Scout. In this video, we're going to talk about both of these platforms and exactly which you should be picking when selling on Amazon. Both of these softwares are by far the most known when selling on Amazon, and I highly recommend you to pick at least one of these softwares at the end of this video to start selling on Amazon. These platforms are going to allow you to scale your business year after year like myself. All these tools and data that you're going to be getting from this software is going to allow you to scale your business and grow your business year after year. You see, when I started selling on Amazon, especially the first year, I made around $300 profit. But with these tools and all the data, I was able to scale my business year after year. The second year, I made around $600 profit per day. And then next year, $1,000. I'm on my 5th year of selling on Amazon, and currently I'm making around $2,000 profit every day. And personally, it's all because of these tools that I personally use. So we're gonna go on this and we're gonna deep dive and show you guys exactly which one is better. Helium 10. Helium 10 is a little bit more expensive than Jungle Scout. Helium 10 is around $99, but with my discount code, you would be able to get it at around $80. It's going to be in the description down below as well as a pinned comment. Helium 10, what I love about it is that even though it's more expensive, it does have a lot more features than Jungle Scout. But one thing that Helium 10 has that Jungle Scout doesn't is to find out how many sales we need to do in order to get on the first page of Amazon. So both of these tools do have the same basic features, and both of them pretty much you could do Amazon product research, which allows you to find products to start selling on Amazon, and you're able to filter through that. They do have like reverse engineering of like your competitors and picking their ASIN. They also have like keyword tracking to see what you're ranking on for certain keywords of your products. But the number one thing that I really use on Helium 10 is finding out how many sales I need to do in order to get on that first page of Amazon. This is crucial. I'm surprised Jungle Scout doesn't have this feature, and Helium 10 has it, and it's by far the best feature I think with Helium 10. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that and exactly what you need to do in order to get on that first page of Amazon. So if this video is ever helpful for you guys, make sure you use my referral link. You're gonna get 20% off Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout's more cheaper, but Helium 10 is a way better platform. So let's go on Helium 10 and show you guys all the details that this platform has to offer. So we're here on Helium 10 and we're on the profit page, and you can see the profits we have here. As of yesterday, I made $1,400 in profit. On the week, I'm at $10,000 so far in profit. And what I love about Helium 10 is that we're able to see our profit margin. I sell full-time on Amazon, and I also teach on my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But I do talk about profit margin. Profit margin needs to be 35% or higher to allow you to scale your business year after year. It's going to help you build a long-term brand. And after all expenses, you should have a profit margin of 35% or higher. So I'm at 34, which is good. I would rather be at 35, but you can see that from sales of 1 year, profit margin is almost around that 35%. It's very important that you make sure you have that number, because you're able to scale your business and grow your business every year. This allows you, like for myself, I've been growing my business and about 50% every year, and next year it's going to have a bigger amount of profit margin, and it's going to allow you to grow a long-term business. So profit margin is key when selling on Amazon. We're going to go click here on tools, and you can see all the tools that Helium 10 has to offer. Both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout do have a lot of the same features. They both have Amazon product research. Like I said, they have reverse product lookup, which is more like something where you have a competition and you see them selling a lot of products on Amazon, and you want to see how you could get in that certain niche. So Cerebro, they also have that. They also have keyword tracking. They have a lot of these same features, but one of the main features that Helium 10 has that Jungle Scout doesn't And if Jungle Scout, you were looking at this, definitely add this to your software because this is a very, very important thing for Amazon sellers. So we're gonna paste the ASIN here, right? And we're able to see with this, I believe it's called the CPR. We're gonna scroll down here. Yes, the CPR. We're able to see how much sales we need to do on these certain amount of keywords in order to get on that first page of Amazon. I have here lash glue, and lash glue falls under all the categories that I like when selling a product on Amazon. It falls under that small and light. It's in a low competition and high search volume field, and the profit margin is above 35%. So lash glue falls under all the categories that I like when selling products on Amazon. So let's see how much sales we need to do in order to get on that first page of Amazon. So we're gonna go here, click search volume, and we can see here the search volume for this certain keyword is the 70,000 searches every month. How many sales do we need to get on that first page of Amazon? Because it's so important that we get on the first page of Amazon because that's where all the sales come from. If you're not on the first page of Amazon, you're probably gonna have an unsuccessful business, and nobody starts searching on the third or fourth or fifth page unless it's maybe like clothes or maybe home decor or something like that. But for the most part, you always wanna be on that first page of Amazon. So lash glue here, the CPR is 114 units. We need to sell 114 units per day for the next 8 days to get on that first page of Amazon. This is going to allow us to see and give us an insight of how we're going to be able to do this. Should we go aggressive on some Amazon ads, do some giveaways? CPR is such an important metric when selling on Amazon because it allows me to actually see, all right, if I want to scale this and I want to launch it on the first page of Amazon, you know, how many sales do I have to do? And of course, you also need to make sure that the product is high quality for it to stay on that first page, because if it's a very low quality product, if the picture's not right, if it doesn't look very professional, people are still not going to buy it and it's going to drop on the rankings. But if you do this, you launch the product correctly, you do 114 sales, for the next 8 days, it's gonna stick on that first page for quite some time. And then you're gonna get some organic sales from that, and you're gonna be able to stick on that first page and grow your business year after year and just scale from there. So Helium 10 has that perfect feature. If you wanna use Helium 10, make sure to use the link down below. It's gonna be in the description as well as a pinned comment. It's gonna help you guys out with a discount. It's gonna give you 20% off, and it really supports me and it helps me out as well. And hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. I have a full tutorial of Helium 10 on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be here or somewhere around here. It's gonna help you guys out and get deep dive on Helium 10, some product research, finding the right products to start selling on Amazon. And that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.